Introduction. Coordinate geometry was introduced by René Descartes. Coordinate geometry is the algebraic approach to geometry, and graph is its pictorial notation. The simplest locus of a point in a plane is a straight line. A special feature of this locus is that if any two points of this locus are joined, they define a unique direction. We learn a few concepts to obtain the equations of lines in different forms.
We have learned that the distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate or abscissa. The distance of a point from the x-axis is called its y-coordinate or ordinate. The coordinates of a point on the x-axis are of the form x0 and of a point on the y-axis are of the form 0y. A linear equation in two variables of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a, b are not simultaneously 0, gives a straight line when represented graphically. Graph of y equal to ax square plus bx plus c, a not equal to 0 is a parabola. Coordinate geometry has been developed as an algebraic tool, helps to study geometry using algebra, and understand algebra with the help of geometry.
Inclination of a line. Inclination of a line is the smallest positive angle the line makes with the positive direction of the x-axis. Theta is the inclination of the line where 0 is smaller than is equal to theta, smaller than is equal to 180 degree. Note, x-axis or a parallel line to x-axis makes an angle of 0 degree with positive direction of x-axis. Inclination of x-axis is 0 degree. Y-axis or a line parallel to y-axis makes an angle of 90 degrees with positive direction of x-axis. Inclination of y-axis or a line parallel to it is 90 degree. If two lines are parallel, they will have the same inclination. Slope of a line. If the inclination of the line is theta, slope of the line is tan theta, which is denoted by m. m is equal to tan theta. Note, x-axis makes an angle of 0 degree with itself. Slope of x-axis is equal to m is equal to tan 0 is equal to 0. Y-axis makes an angle of pi by 2 with positive direction of x-axis, slope of y-axis is equal to tan 90 degrees, which is not defined. Slope of parallel lines are equal. Inclination of line L1 is theta 1 and inclination of line L2 and theta 2. If the line L1 parallel to L2, slope of line L1 is equal to slope of line L2. Note, if two lines are parallel, they will have same inclination. Their slopes are equal. The slope of a straight line passing through 2 points. From the figure, slope of a line joining 2 points. P, x1, y1, q, x2, y2, that is, PQ is tan theta is equal to y minus 2, y minus 2, take 2, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Note, if x1 is equal to x2, then slope is not defined and so that line will be y-axis or parallel to y-axis. Slope of y-axis or line parallel to y-axis is not defined. Note, slope of the line M is equal to tan theta, where theta is the inclination of a line with the positive direction of the x-axis, where 0 is smaller than is equal to theta, smaller than is equal to 180 degrees. 180 degree. Slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of y-axis or lines parallel to y-axis is not defined. If A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2 are 2 points of segment AB, then slope M of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Equations of a line. Y is equal to mx plus c, slope intercept form. Use above form of equation when slope M and y-intercept c is given. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Slope point form. Use above equation when one point and slope M is given. See, x minus x1 by x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 by y1 minus y2. 2 points form. Use above equation when 2 points are given. X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Double to intercept form. Use above equation when x-intercept and y-intercept is given. Equation of the line. X-axis and y-axis is the line. When we take a point on x-axis, we see that its y-coordinate is 0. That is, for example, points A, B, C, D. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. When we take points on y-axis, we see that x-coordinates are 0. For example, points P, Q, R, S. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Line parallel to x-axis. L1 parallel to x-axis. Every point on L1 has same y-coordinate. For example, P is equal to 2, 2. Q is equal to 1, 2. R is equal to minus 1, 2. S is equal to minus 2, 2. Equation of a line parallel to x-axis is y. B is a constant. Note, the equation of line L1 is y is equal to 2. Line parallel to y-axis. L1 is parallel to y-axis. Every point on L1 has same x-coordinate. For example, A is equal to 2, 2, B is equal to 2, 1, C is equal to 2 minus 1, D is equal to 2 minus 2. Equation of a line. Y-axis is x is equal to A. A is a constant. Note, the equation of line L1 is x is equal to 2. Equation of line in slope-intercept form. Consider a line L1 with slope M, y-intercept is equal to c. The line intersects y-axis at A, 0, C. Take a point P, x, y on this line. Slope of AP is equal to M. Y minus C by x minus 0 is equal to M. Definition of slope. Y minus C is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of line in slope-intersect form. Note, equation of line passing through origin is y is equal to mx. Example 3, P23 is a point on the line y is equal to 3x plus c. Solution. Here, point P lies on the line y is equal to 3x plus c. Coordinate of points P satisfy the given equation y is equal to 3x plus c. Put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 in the given equation, we get 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 plus c. 3 is equal to 6 plus c. C is equal to minus 3. Equation of a line in slope point form. We find the equation of line having slope m passing through the point A, x1, y1 having slope m. Taking a point P, x, y on the line. Slope AP is equal to m. Y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to m. Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. This is required equation of a line in slope point form. Equation of a line in 2-point form. We consider a line L passing through A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Take a point P x y on this line L. Slope of AP is equal to slope of AB. Y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. It can also be written as y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. Equation of a line in double intercept form. We consider a line L with x-intercept A and y-intercept B. Take a point P xy on line L. AO is equal to x1 y1 is equal to 0b is equal to x2 y2. Slope of line is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope of AB is equal to b minus 0 by 0 minus a is equal to b by minus a is equal to minus b by a. Equation of the line AB in slope point form is y1 minus y2 is equal to mx minus x2. Equation of the line AB in slope point form is y1 minus y2 is equal to mx minus x2. Y minus b is equal to minus b by a. X minus 0, here y2 is equal to b and x2 is equal to 0. Y minus b is equal to minus b by ax. Y by b minus b by b is equal to minus x by a. Dividing both the side b. X by a is equal to y by b is equal to 1. That is, x by x minus intercepts plus y by y minus intercepts is equal to 1, which is equation of line in double intercept form. Example 3. Write the equation of the line making x-intercept and y-intercept as given below. X-intercept 3, 2, minus 1. Y-intercept minus 2, 4, minus 3. Solution. X by x minus intercept plus y by y minus intercept is equal to 1 in the equation of line in double. X by 3 plus y by minus 2 is equal to 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to plus 6. 2x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. X by 2 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. 2x plus y is equal to 4. 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. X by minus 1 plus y by minus 3 is equal to 1. X plus y by 3 is equal to minus 1. 3x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Example 7. P, 2, 3, Q, minus 1, 2 and R minus 3 minus 4 are the vertices of triangle. Find the equations of all the medians of triangle PQR. If P, x1, y1 and Q, x2, y2 are 2 points, then coordinates of midpoint of segment PQ are x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2, 2, 2. Solution. P is equal to 2, 3, Q is equal to minus 1, 2 and R is equal to minus 3, minus 4 are the vertices of the triangle. Let PA, QB and RC be the medians. A is the midpoint of segment QR. X coordinate of point A is equal to minus 1 plus 3 whole minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2. Y coordinate of point A is equal to 2 plus whole minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. Point A is equal to minus 2 minus 1. Consider P is equal to 2, 3. A is equal to minus 2 minus 1. x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. M is equal to slope of AP is equal to minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 3 by minus 2 minus 2 is equal to minus 4 minus 4 is equal to 1. Equation of line AP. Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Y minus 3 is equal to 1 bracket x minus 2. Y minus 3 is equal to x minus 2. Y is equal to x plus 1. Equation of median AP. Y minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. B is the midpoint of segment PR. Coordinate of B is equal to 2 minus 3 by 2. 3 minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Consider Q is equal to minus 1, 2 and B is equal to bracket minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 bracket close. M is equal to slope of QB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 2 by minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 2 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 2 by 1 by 2 is equal to minus 5. Equation of line QB. Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Equation of line QB is y minus 2 is equal to minus 5 x minus minus 1. Y minus 2 is equal to minus 5 x plus 1. Y minus 2 is equal to minus 5x minus 5. 5x plus y is equal to minus 3. 5x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Equation of median QB. 5x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Consider point C, which is midpoint of segment PQ. Coordinates of point C is equal to 2 plus minus 1 by 2, 3 plus 2 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, 5 by 2. Consider R is equal to minus 3 minus 4 and C is equal to 1 by 2, 5 by 2. M is equal to slope of line RC is equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equal to 5 by 2 minus minus 4 by 1 by 2 minus minus 3 is equal to 13 by 2 by 7 by 2 is equal to 13 by 7. Equation of line RC. Y minus y1 is equal to x1 x minus x1. Y minus bracket minus 4 is equal to x minus bracket minus 3. Y plus 4 is equal to 13 by 7 x plus 3. 7y plus 28 is equal to 13x plus 39. 7y minus 13x minus 11 is equal to 0. 13x minus 7y plus 11 is equal to 0. Equation of median RC. 13x minus 7y plus 11 is equal to 0.